This is Harmony's first case of hiccups.
I can't do anything about it, baby.
And here's Mama.
I know.
Mama.
The baby has the hiccups. I can't move you. You got the IV in your hand. I can't. Oh, Mommy, I got hiccups.